What if eating a cursed substance turned you into a laughing, fearless wanderer? Welcome to Weirdverse, where we dig into the strangest true weird stories. Today, we're diving into one of the creepiest bizarre stories from weird history, the Nyolokh Curse of South Sudan in the 1960s. This True Weird Stories episode is packed with weird facts, strange facts, unbelievable facts, and dark facts about a mysterious concoction that drove people to act like nothing you've ever heard. Get ready for creepy facts, science facts, brain facts, odd facts, shocking truths, and strange but true events from over 50 years ago in Africa. Let's set the stage with some weird facts. In the early 1960s, South Sudan, then part of Sudan, was a region steeped in tradition, tribal customs, and a deep connection to the land. The Nuer and Dinka tribes, nomadic cattle herders, roamed the vast savannas. Their lives revolved around survival, spirituality, and folklore, where hyenas were seen as mystical, dangerous creatures. This is where our bizarre stories begin, filled with curious facts. Among the Nuer, a rare and shocking truth ritual involved creating a substance called Nyolokh. This wasn't just any concoction, it was made from the liver and brain of a hyena, believed to carry the animal's spirit. Weird history tells us that consuming amniolok was a sacred, dangerous act, reserved for specific rituals to gain courage or connect with ancestors. But here's the creepy facts: those who ate it began exhibiting bizarre behaviors. The story starts in a small Newer village around 1962. A group of young men, seeking strength for a tribal conflict, partook in the Amnialak ritual. Elders prepared the mixture under strict secrecy, blending hyena organs with herbs. The men consumed it, expecting bravery. Instead, strange facts emerged. They began laughing uncontrollably, wandering aimlessly, and showing no fear of danger, like walking toward wild animals or fire. These odd facts baffled the community. Brain facts suggest the hyena organs might have contained toxins or psychoactive compounds, but the tribe saw it as a spiritual curse. Fun facts turned dark as families noticed their loved ones acting possessed, speaking in riddles or laughing for hours. This true weird story wasn't just a one off. It spread as more young men sought the ritual, unaware of the shocking truths awaiting them. Now, let's uncover what happened next in this weird history. The Amnialok ritual didn't stay confined to one village. By 1963, reports of similar behaviors cropped up across Newer and Dinka communities in what is now Jonglei Estate. Dozens of men, and even some women, consumed the substance, chasing its promised power. But the results were unbelievable facts. People wandered into the wilderness, laughed at inappropriate times, and lost their sense of self-preservation. Creepy facts piled up as entire families were affected. One man reportedly walked into a river, laughing as he nearly drowned. Another climbed a tree during a storm, giggling while others begged him to come down. These strange but true accounts disrupted village life. Cattle herding, a cornerstone of their culture, suffered as affected individuals neglected their duties. Dark facts emerged. Some wandered so far they were never seen again. Tribal healers tried to intervene with counter rituals, but the symptoms persisted for weeks, sometimes months. Science facts were scarce at the time. South Sudan lacked modern medical facilities, and colonial-era doctors rarely ventured into remote areas. Locals leaned on curious facts from folklore, believing the hyena's spirit had possessed the consumers. Shocking truths revealed that even those who didn't eat amniolok sometimes mimicked the symptoms, suggesting a psychological contagion. By 1964, the phenomenon had affected hundreds across multiple villages. The elders, alarmed by the chaos, began restricting the ritual, but the damage was done. Stories of the hyena curse became a cautionary tale, blending weird facts with dark facts. The lack of scientific study at the time left many questions unanswered, fueling the strange but true legend. We've explored the weird backstory and what happened next. Now for the twist that ties in science facts and brain facts. Here is the mind-blowing twist in these unbelievable facts. Modern science suggests Nyolokh wasn't just a spiritual curse but a case of neurotoxic poisoning mixed with cultural psychology. Brain facts and science facts point to a chilling possibility. Hyena organs, especially the liver and brain, can contain high levels of toxins or prions, proteins that disrupt neurological function. These could cause symptoms like uncontrollable laughter, disorientation, and fearlessness. Creepy facts meet science facts here. Hyenas, as scavengers, consumed decaying flesh. which can accumulate pathogens or toxins. Consuming their organs raw or minimally processed, as in the ritual, likely introduced these into the human body. Brain facts show that such toxins can affect the frontal lobe, impairing impulse control and emotional regulation, explaining the bizarre behaviors. But there's more. Curious facts about mass psychogenic illness come into play. In tight-knit communities, seeing others act strangely can trigger similar behaviors, even without consuming the substance. This mirrors other weird history events, like the Tanganikal after epidemic. The cultural belief in the hyena's power amplified the effects, turning odd facts into a self-fulfilling prophecy. Shocking truths. No one died directly from Nyolokh, but the social impact was profound, disrupting trust in rituals. Strange but true, these true weird stories show how biology and belief can create a perfect storm of bizarre stories. To wrap it up, the Nyolokh Curse of 1960 seconds. South Sudan turned a sacred ritual into a nightmare of weird facts, strange facts, and unbelievable facts. From fearless wanderers to laughing fits, this bizarre story episode reveals creepy facts, science facts, brain facts, odd facts, shocking truths, strange but true moments, fun facts gone dark, curious facts, and dark facts about human nature. Love diving into true weird stories. Subscribe for more weird facts and bizarre stories on Weirdverse. Hit the bell to stay updated, like this video, and comment. What's the strangest ritual you've heard of? Thanks for watching, stay curious and keep exploring the weird universe.